Jury selection is expected to continue tomorrow for Doomsday Mom Lori Vallow Daybell's third and final trial in her string of deadly crimes from Idaho to Arizona. Erica Stapleton has a look at what we can expect.
Lori Vallow Daybell is facing another murder conspiracy trial, this time out of Gilbert, and she's representing herself again. 2 trials down.
Extremely proud to get the conviction and get justice for the family.
And 1 more to go.
Guilty.
Lori Vallow Daybell already convicted in Idaho for killing her kids Tylee and JJ and for her role in the death of Tammy Daybell, her husband Chad Daybell's first wife. Now she's convicted in Arizona.
Guilty.
For conspiring to kill her former husband Charles Vallow. Next, she'll stand trial for conspiring to kill her niece's ex-husband, who, unlike other victims, is still alive.
911, where's your emergency?
Someone just shot my window.
The next case takes us back to 2019, where Gilbert investigators believe Lori's brother, Alex Cox, shot at Brandon Boudreaux. He wasn't hurt, but his car was hit.
They just drove off. I saw him drive off.
Court records indicate he was worried about his ex-wife's ties to Lori and Lori's current husband, Chad Daybell, along with their dark doomsday religious beliefs. We now know are at the core of the other convictions. Chad Daybell was sentenced to death in Idaho, and Alex Cox can't be charged because he died before charges were filed.
Brandon is often overlooked in the massive amount of evidence and wrong that was done by Chad and Lori and Alex at their behest. And I hope that he gets to have his day in court.
Rachel Smith was a prosecutor on Vallow Daybell's Idaho case. She prepped Brandon Boudreaux to take the stand.
He is a good man. He is a godly man who really just wants some measure of justice for the extent of what Lori and Chad Daybell did to people. He unfortunately had to be one of the people to help ID JJ. He provided ID of Tylee's necklace. The impact on him is tremendous.
Vallow Daybell has been arguing with the judge in hearings leading up to this next trial.
I would have to ask that you would recuse yourself from the obvious personal bias that you have against me and send us to master calendar for this scheduling of a trial.
I don't have any personal bias.
And the big question again, whether she'll take the stand in her own defense. Brandon Boudreaux is listed as a witness for the state, and we're expecting him to testify.
I really hope he gets to tell his truth to an Arizona jury and hold Lori accountable for her part in the conspiracy to have him killed.
If a jury is officially seated Monday, opening statements could start as early as that afternoon. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
And of course, we'll have that trial covered for you online and on the air.